we will look into the Designs Act. The first and foremost establishment of the Designs Act was by the British India in the year 1911. And thereafter, there were several amendments which have been made with respect to the protection of the designs, if any persons have applied. And one such amendment has come into existence in 2000, and the present Designs Act 2000 has reappealed the 1911 Designs Act, which has been actually put forward by the British India. And then the rules which were present in 1933 with respect to the designs, the amendments were made in 2001, and it has reappealed the design rules which were present in 1933. Now, coming to the definition of the design, especially when you look at the Designs Act, it is concerned with the protection of the various designs which have been applied by the persons. And you have to know what do you mean by design, especially like when it is being defined under the Designs Act. An elaborate definition which has been given for the design under the Designs Act is, it means only the features of shape, configuration, pattern or ornament applied to any article by any individual process or means, whether manual, mechanical or chemical, separate or combined, which is the finished article appears to and are judged solely by the eye, but does not include any mode or principle of construction or anything which is substance, a mere mechanical device, and does not include any trademark. So this is the elaborate definition which has been given by the Designs Act. I'll again repeat the definition of the Designs Act. Design means only the feature of shape, configuration, pattern or ornament applied to any article by any individual or means, whether manual, mechanical or chemical, separate or combined, which in the finished article appears to and are judged solely by the eye, but does not include any mode or principle of construction or anything which is in substance a mere mechanical device and does not include any trademark, is considered to be as design. Now, when you look at the registration of the designs, the first and foremost criteria to grant the registration to the designs is new and original. That is the main criteria of granting the registration for the designs under the Designs Act. So if a person is intended to register his designs under the Designs Act, it should be the design which he is proposing or applying should be new and original. And every application shall be in the prescribed form and shall be filled in the patent office in the prescribed manner and shall be accompanied by the prescribed fee by the patent office. So if a person intends to get the registration for the design, his new and original design, he has to apply first to the patent office with the prescribed fee. And a design may be registered in not more than one class. There are separate classes which have been mentioned under which the designs can be registered, and it cannot be registered in more than one class. And in case the doubt as to which class it belongs to, it is left to the controller of the patent office to decide which class the design belongs to, and his classification is considered to be as final. Now, the controller may, on the application of any person claiming to be the proprietor of any new or original design, not previously published in any country and which is not contrary to public order or morality, can register the design under the Designs Act. But when the application is received by the controller, he would give the application to the respective examiner to examine the application, and an examiner appointed under this section would see whether the such design which is being applied is capable of being registered under the Designs Act. So he would look into the various aspects which have been applied in the prescribed manner for obtaining the registration of the Designs Act. The examiner would keenly look into the application and would determine whether the design can be registered or no.